Export course creates a package of course content that can later be imported into a different course. This is recommended if only the contents are needed in the same layout as the source course. In order to create an export package, click on the course and under Control Panel, expand Packages and Utilities, and click on Export/Archive Course. Click on the button Export Package. This will show a page with a couple of options for exporting the package. For example, you can click on the button Calculate Size, which shows the course file size. By default, all the content files are included in the package. Under Select Course Materials, click on Select All button to select all the materials. Finally, click the Submit button on the bottom right to generate the package. Depending on the course size, the link for Export Package will appear on this page after a short while. You may click on the Refresh button to see if the link is ready. Click on the generated file name starting with Export. This will download the zip file to your folder. Note, this export zip file is in IMS Manifest XML format that can be used to import to another Blackboard course and is different than a regular zip file.